Wanna know something that really sucks living where I'm at? This happens at least 5 times a week. The other day it was 3 times in one fucking day. Right now, it is 6 minutes to midnight. Bitch needs her sleep! What the fuck? So, the fire department just went over the PA system saying that they were going to be investigating an alarm being set off on the 5th floor. Let's see how this goes. I wish that they would shut that thing off. Like, they can investigate. If we need to leave, turn it back on. Why does it need to stay on? My animals hate it. I hate it. Eventually it ends up saying Aurora. It's creepy as fuck. Like, what the fuck? Turn the shit off. Turn it off. I'm about to flip. And it's not gonna be pretty. Not gonna be pretty. It's gonna be a very shitty situation for someone. Damn near literally. Aurora. Aurora. Maybe I'm just hearing things? Aurora. It's now 12:05 and it's still ringing. I'm just waiting to see if they have anything else to say over the PA so you guys can see just how creepy this shit is.
Atlanta Fire Department, this has been a false alarm. Thanks for your cooperation. It's been a false alarm. Thank you.
That happened 3 times the other day. People in quarantine are going nuts. And being in the building that I'm in, it just doesn't help. No, not one bit. Like, I'll end up putting a video from earlier today. I swear to God, I found you guys Cleopatra. Yeah, bitch. She's Queen of Denial.